Hi, today I will cover Observer Design Pattern implementation video tutorial. Before watch this video tutorial, please log into my channel and watch Observer Design Pattern introduction, Observer Design Pattern class diagram and sequence diagram, and Observer Design Pattern real-time example video tutorial, where I have explained what is Observer Design Pattern and basics of Observer Design Pattern. So first watch that video tutorial and then come and watch this video tutorial so that you will understand this tutorial very clearly. So this is the class diagram of the sample code which I am going to show. Okay, and we will start from observer interface. So in observer design pattern, there are two important components. The first one is subject and the second one is observer. In the right side, you can see observer and it has update method, and this observer is implemented by person. So if person is implemented observer, then the person object is act as a observer. Okay, and you can see this person object, it implements the update method. Okay, it provide implementation of update method, so which is there in the observer interface. Okay, and you can see the person class as person name attribute, and it has setter and getter method for person name. Okay, and also you can see it has a person constructor where you have to pass person name and subject. Okay, we will see what is the subject next. Okay, in the left side you can see subject. So this interface, and it has three methods. The first method is register observer. In that method you have to pass the observer object. Okay, suppose the observer wants to register in the subject. In order to get notification from the subject, then it has to call register observer method. Okay, so in this case, suppose the person object want to get notification from the subject whenever some status or state has changed in the subject, then person object has to call this register observer method. Okay, to register this person observer in the subject. And next method is remove observer. Suppose observer don't want to get any notification from the subject, then the observer has to call this remove observer method. Okay, and third method is notify observers. So what this method will do is whenever there is some state change happen in the subject, this notify observer method will send notification to all the registered observers in the subject. Okay, um, and you can see down product, uh, so which implements the subject. So you can see this product is a subject because it implements the subject. So this product provide implementation of this three method: register observer, remove observer, and notify observer. You can see in the down, it has three methods: register observer, remove observer, and notify observers. This product class provide implementation of these three methods. And also this product has four variables: product name, product type, product price, and availability. Okay, so whenever the availability changed from not available to available, uh, this product subject will send notification to all the registered observers. That we can see it in the code. Okay, and left side you can see observer design pattern main. It's like a demo class. From here we will initiate request and we'll see how the whole observer pattern works. Okay, next I will open Eclipse and I will show you the code. So I am opening the Eclipse. Here you can see five classes which involved in observer design pattern: observer.java, observer pattern main.java, person.java, product.java, and subject.java. Uh, so in the class diagram in the right side, you can see observer and the person. So I will open first observer interface, and then I will open the person class which implements the observer. Okay. Uh, so I am opening observer interface. and it has update method. Okay, and person.java, I provide implementation of observer. So you can see update method is implemented in the person.java. Okay, also it has a person name, and this person name has getter and setter method here. Okay, and it has a constructor to initialize the person object. You have to pass the person name, and also you have to pass the subject. Subject, we will see what it is. Okay, next. So left side you can see subject and the product. So subject is an interface. I will open the subject interface, and you can see a subject interface here. It has three methods: register observer, remove observer, and notify observer. Okay, and this three method is implemented in the product.java. So product.java is a subject because it implements a subject, right? And you can see in the down, it provide implementation of register observer, remove observer, and notify observer. So what this register observer does is, if you pass the observer object, it will add it to the observer array list. Okay, so in the top we are maintaining list of observer, so that is here. Okay, so whenever you call this register observer method, the subject will add the observer in the observers list. Okay, and remove observer, if you pass the observer object, it will remove the observer from the array list of observers. Okay, and the third and final method is notify observer. So whenever the state changed, okay, that time this notify observer will be called. So what this method does is, it will iterate the observer list. So in the observer list has observer which are registered in the subject, right? So it will iterate all the observer and call the update method. Okay, saying the product is available now. Okay, so here the important method is set availability. Okay, so whenever the availability changed from not available to available, uh, it will call the notify observers, so that this notify observer will send notification to all the observer which are registered in the product, right? And the final one is observer pattern main.java. So this is a demo class which will be used to invoke subject and the product to see the output. Okay, so I will just run observer pattern main.java. So before that we will see what it is. Okay, so here what we are doing is we are creating the product. Okay, so product is Samsung LED TV, and so what and all we have to pass is you have to pass product name, product type, product price, and availability. So product name is Samsung LED TV, product type is LED TV, and cost is 60,000 rupees, and initially status is not available. Okay, and then what we are doing is we are creating the person object David. Okay, so in the constructor of, so I am opening the constructor of person. So it will assign the person name. Also the person object will be registered in the subject by calling this method. Okay, and next also we are creating person called John. So it will call this constructor. So in the constructor we are registering that person in the subject, right? So this two person will be created. Also this two person will be registered to the subject. Subject is nothing but a product. In this case product is Samsung LED TV. Okay, then I am just printing what and all observers are subscribed in the product Samsung LED TV. Okay, just I am printing that. Then finally what I am doing is I am printing the current availability of Samsung LED TV. So initially the availability is not available. Okay. Then I am changing the availability to available. So when you change the availability from not available to available, uh, this set availability will call the notify observer and it will send notification to all the registered observers. So we will see the output. Okay. How? So we'll just run. So you can see. Okay. First two persons are created. So in the constructor only, constructor of person only registered observer method is there. So it will call and this two person will be registered, right? So you can see the person has subscribed, David and John. So two persons are subscribed, right? So that I have printed here, that is displayed here. Okay. Then initially the current state of the Samsung LED TV. So that is not available. You can see here. Okay. Then I am setting the availability to available. Um, so you can see availability change from not available to available. Okay. Then immediately the notification will send to all the registered persons, right, or registered users. So you can see this product name Samsung LED TV, product type LED TV, price 60,000 rupees, available now. So notifying all the users, right? So in this case two users is registered in the subject. So the two user are getting the notification there, that is printed here. Okay. Hello David, product is now available on the Flipkart. Hello John, product is now available on the Flipkart. Okay. So this is how whole observer design pattern is working. So it is simple, right? So you created the person is registered in the subject. So whenever some state changed, uh, whenever some state changed in the subject, the subject sent notification to all the registered users. So this is how the whole observer design pattern works. Okay. And I have put all the sample code related to this observer design pattern in my blogspot called ramjt.blogspot.in. So you can log into this blogspot and get the sample code. And this is about observer design pattern implementation. And thanks for watching. Bye.